Hey, Dana Williams here from the Tigtig Realty team at 4238 Crystal Ridge. Let you take a look at this amazing property. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour. It's coming on the market this weekend, but today we get to host and show some other realtors this listing that our team has coming up. I always love to show you my three favorite things. So one is this incredible kitchen. First of all, there's a fireplace in it. And then look at these ceilings. This gigantic island, and well, the color of the cabinets. We're serving barbecue today, so there you go. Isn't it beautiful? All right, number two, this is ridiculous. Look at this backyard. I mean, you've got your own oasis out here. Covered patio. Watch as I turn around. I need to find out what's behind that curtain, I'll tell you. Playscape over there. Behind me is this palapa with a sunken, well, can you even see it? Sunken outdoor kitchen. Oh my word. Beautiful pool. And let me back up here so you can see this. Way over there, check out that porch swing. I just want to go hang out right there. But wait, there's more. Beyond the spa is a fire pit.